What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Uwei unong Karbi ula du la ka jingiakynad ka khie biang neka step kandai tarik risau. Ha ki benta kaput ka Meghalaya bat Assam, ha ka snong Lapangap. Kane ka jingjia kalawan long kat ba ka jingot pa kadang sedang ha ka snong Lapangap. Hapdeng ka jing perking pahara balapan biang dakatanat pulit ka Meghalaya bat Assam. Kat kum ka kubor pulit layat hu bagiladon kat tu ka ni ka jingiakynad. Hapdeng ki nong snong ka Lapangap ha Meghalaya. Bat ki beriu nakas nong tapat ha Assam, ha kapor baka jingot ke ba kadang ya syakman. Ha kani ka jingiakynad wei uberiu ubade u Karbi, ya ubala tip kerteng kum u Orivel timung South Sans nemerta, ubade nakas nong tapat Karbi anglong ula syak penyam. Ki pulit kiat hu bakam shimla dan satya ka no ka jing pendan kambor dagi bor pahara na baro arliang kaput. Bat ba ka ni ka jingyap ka day ka balami na ka jingale mar kelyang hapdeng ki dong snong. Ki bor pulit ki pentikna bana mar ka ni ka jaka balajia ka hapapo upur usam jok Meghalaya kumtala register case ya ka ni ka jingja syak penyam hapo nartiang police station. Hadian ka ni ka jingja lapan sange no mardor ya baro ki kamrap hakatikatan tat hadu banda penbena dakum wepan benrap ki pulin.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.